And in this corner, we got the JP fighting the big scrawnies. Oh, that was a nice grasp right there by JP. Now they're running after each other. That's one heavyweight versus one very small Mexican. My God, did you see that jab? And he's got him now where he wants him. JP let go. Oh! What is happening here? We are ready for an upset. My goodness. Why did they stop? There they go. No! This is becoming quite a battle. The two titans on the grass. Lightning is running like lightning. Jean-Pierre's got him. Oh, Jean-Pierre's down. There he is again. No, he's not. Take him down. My goodness. What a bloodbath. Two wild dogs at it. Looks like lightning has the upper hand.